In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a checklist in employee onboarding in Zoho People. Start by logging into Zoho People and looking at the left sidebar. Find and click Onboarding. This takes you into the onboarding area, where you can manage the processes and tasks that guide new hires through their first days. Next, go to the top menu and click Settings. Settings is where you configure how onboarding works, including the task lists that people will follow. Once you are in Settings, look to the left sidebar again and select Task. Inside the Task area, choose the Checklist tab. This is the section specifically used to build reusable checklists that you can apply during onboarding. Now you are ready to create a new checklist. Click the button that says plus Add Checklist. A small form will appear asking for a checklist name. Enter a clear, specific name that matches the purpose of the checklist, such as a department or role-based label. Using consistent names will make it easier to find the right checklist later, especially as your library grows. After you type the name, click Submit to create it. With the checklist created, you can now add the actual items employees or internal teams need to complete. In the new checklist, click plus Add Task. This is where you define each individual task inside the checklist. Add the tasks one by one, making each task description concise and actionable. Clear task wording helps avoid confusion and reduces follow-up questions during onboarding. As you add tasks, take a moment to confirm you are placing them in the correct checklist and that the wording matches your internal process. When you are finished adding the tasks you need, click Save. Saving is important because it locks in your checklist structure and ensures it is available for use in your onboarding workflows. At this point, your checklist is created and stored in the onboarding settings, ready to support a consistent and organized employee onboarding experience. And that covers everything you need to know.